How's it going? Jesse from Ohola Boys, and this video will be showing us pulling apart Hazey to get it started for cleaning and the prepping stage, and then the spray painting stage will be after that. First up is emptying the canopies and then proceeding to remove them. Here I am holding the bolts from underneath while my wife uses the gun to take them off. There is 2 bolts holding the back, 2 bolts on the driver's side holding onto the front canopy, and then 1 holding passenger side of the canopy. Now to remove the canopy. Here I am disconnecting the alternator cord from the 12 volt system and then setting up the 12 volt system to be moved. Here I'm using my multimeter to test the alternator cord because I thought it was blown, but it arced out when I pulled it off. Plus I thought it was disconnected. Always make sure that it is.
Yes, that is getting power, but not while it's connected. While it's connected, it doesn't get power. I want to replace it.
Here I am removing the alternator cord from the bottom of the canopy. Here my little one Jensen is actually helping me remove the bolts from the canopy.
Oh, you gonna take the bolt out? Get the one behind you. Get that one.
Left that part in normal speed so that way you can hear me hit my head. Now just removing the canopy. Next up is the awning. Sorry, took these ones off. I forgot to record that part. Last bracket. And just like that, the whole awning comes off. Next is the rooftop tent. The awning is off. I kind of dropped it and it hit me in the chest, as you saw just before. So that's what happened. That's why the phone got dropped. I'll keep that in. Ask for help if you need help. I just learnt that the hard way just then. Yeah. So this is Courtney, my wife. She's currently getting... Why are these in here?
Yeah, we're gonna use them.
And the bolts undone. She's got smaller hands. It's easier for her. Come on, get a better view. There you go. There's a better view. Okay. I won't record too much of this, but there is those bolts there as well, and those bolts at the other side.
Yep. So right now, boys, I think everything's stopped.
Next is the roof rack. We're going to take it off from these bolts instead of these bolts in here. This is the backbone system. I prefer gutter mount. All my other cars have been gutter mount except for this. Oh, and the Vitara, but the Vitara we completely customized. we made a custom roof rack for it. Bolt and nut. Just thought I'd quickly show that Allen key was not working. Yeah, so sometimes you need to improvise. I am using that with a screwdriver bit. That seems to be working. See? And now it's coming off. That's the screwdriver bit that I used inside of a 6.5mm socket, because I don't have the connection for some reason in my toolbox. I don't know where my connection went.
Now for the roof rack.
Show them the backbone brackets.
What they are?
So these backbone brackets are what these go into. So that hole has adjustable for height. We went on the second, the lower one out of the two, and so you could choose the height of your roof rack. It goes on that bracket there. Nice one. So just like that, two canopies are off, awnings off, roof rack and rooftop tent are off in 3 hours.
Now that we have the canopies off and the rooftop tent and roof rack, we are now up to the side steps and bull bar. So keep watching.
You bop yourself in the head.
Me?
No, it's easy.
You. Say hi, everybody. At the camera.
Hello. Look at my holiday.
And today I'm gonna help my dad fix his Hilux.
Car.
Car. Car.
Car.
Alright, with the side steps, it's 2 bolts here, 19mm. Well, I've got 19mm on it. Dusty as.
Oh my god, the dirt.
That didn't even come undone.
It's off, it's off.
And then a 17mm on this side.
Alright, so get ready.
It's gonna drop. So I've got 2 people holding it, so it's safe for me while I'm under here. So just and that's the 4 bolts, and that comes straight off. So that's the left one. And just like that, the right one's off. As you can see, I had a bolt stuck in the passenger side front rail. So grinder. We are removing the spotlights and the bull bar. There was 2 sets of bolts on each side and then 1 underneath on each side. And make sure when you do it to disconnect all the cords, including the lights and winch, because we were holding it for about 2 minutes, the cords being disconnected, so yeah, keep that in mind. Now we're removing the grille and the headlights. Next up is disconnecting the mirrors. Real easy. Just like that. Mirror comes off. After taking both mirrors off, next is taking the bonnet and the fender off so we can get to the scrub rail. I ended up taking both fenders off. Just like that. Guards and bonnet are off. That's it. As you can see here, I'm disconnecting all the bolts and all the cords to remove the tray. Just a quick recap. Now, everything's taken off that needs to be done. Fenders, snorkel, bonnet, grill, bull bar, roof rack, rooftop tent, mirrors, now canopies, tray. Next step in the next video will be cleaning and prepping the car.